back to my channel. This is Lexsamarie with another video. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Hey, welcome to my channel. Hey, welcome to my channel. Said welcome to my channel. I said welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. I said welcome to my channel. Hi, this is Lexsamarie with another video, and today we are going to be getting into this look. Do you see this look right here? Do you see this look? Do you see this look? I wasn't sure because I can't hear you, all right? This is my take on the reverse ombre blonde hair, okay? You see, I still kept a lot of the blonde, but then it's like pow, pow, pow. You know, it's giving wolf. It's giving, you know, fur. You know what I'm saying? So I love this style on me. I will be giving you a very detailed video on how to achieve this look. So if you are interested on dyeing your blonde wig, make sure that you keep watching. But before this, if you have not seen my review just on the hair by itself, make sure that you check it out before this video. So if you do want to use the same exact products, like down to the hair and the length, make sure that you check it out. It's by Yolissa hair. This is their 24-inch 13x4 unit blonde. Okay, honey. Okay. But yes, make sure that you check out that video. I'm probably gonna put it up here. But after you do that, like, comment, and subscribe, and then get into this tutorial. Okay.
So the very first thing that I did was tone my wig. I am telling you right now, this is a Barbie blonde. You can see it. It just doesn't go well with my skin. So what I did with this unit was just use my purple shampoo by, I think it's Shimmer Lights. And this just helps get rid of that brassy tone that is in the hair. And I just want you to see, look, that is Barbie hair. That is Barbie hair. And no, we don't need that yellow undertone. So I'm just going to use my Shimmer Lights shampoo for blonde and silver. And with this, you want to make sure it's warm water, like from the sink, and just put a whole bunch of the shampoo in there. But you do not want to leave it in for long, because I'm telling you, this shampoo does the job. Okay, so make sure the water is hot and that the shampoo is all mixed in there. And what you're going to do is basically have it in there for like 10 to 15 seconds. Nothing more, nothing less. 10 to 15 seconds, okay? Because you see it looks like a Barbie right now, right? But wait until I just stick this whole wig in there, all right? You're going to see a whole different color. Did I lie? Did I lie? I mean, come on, that is an ash, that's what you call an ash blonde. That is an ashy blonde from my dark skin, okay? So this is how you basically make this style achievable for dark skinned women. I mean, we can really rock anything, but if you just really want to have this flatter your skin, make sure that you do this method where you tone the hair, because honey, look, look at this, beautiful. And I know on the in the camera it kind of looks gray, but in person it's blonde, all right? It's blonde, like expensive blondes, you know, ash blonde, beautiful blonde. So I'm just making sure I get all of that shampoo out of the hair, just so it doesn't smell like the shampoo. I don't know, I really don't like the smell of the shampoo. And just to get all those suds out, and then we are going to dye the wig. So all of these colors are going to be linked down below or just put in the description box down below. But I have honey brown, baby girl got mocha, baby girl got the darkest brown, and I think I also got black. But the reason I got this range of colors is just because I wanted it to be a gradient effect, and I was able to achieve it. But you want to make sure that you get a nice honey brown, so when you look at the top of the unit, it just looks like it flows. And you do want to get a paper towel. The reason that I get a paper towel is because I don't want to buy a clear tub. So instead, I just dip my towel into the tub that I have from London. From London, your man's not hot. And I dip it in there just to make sure that I have the right color. So you can see in the video, I did get hot water from the sink, and then I boiled some water just to make sure that it was nice and warm so it took the color well. And the first color I'm going to put is the honey brown. And I would say I probably use 3/4 of the bottle. You want to make sure that the hair is fully coated in this color and that it soaks it all up. So you see I'm dipping it in, and I see, okay, I need more color. Dip it in. And I will add more color to make sure it shows up on the paper towel. Okay, so this is the tricky part. I did mess up just a little bit. You'll see probably as the video goes on, but it still looks good. It still looks good, okay? So what you want to do is do from the very tip all the way to where you want the color to start. So I kind of wanted it to be more in the back. So I pulled up the back of the wig and then tried to make it level with the top of the wig. I don't even know if that makes sense, but I am dipping it, you see, to make sure that back gets some color and that it's just evenly distributed where I want it. So I want to make sure that the whole bottom of the wig is coated in that brown color. And I'm just taking my brush just to kind of brush it in to make it more gradient and not so choppy with the color. So you just want to do that and just pull all that color down. Probably wear gloves. I don't know why I didn't wear gloves. I just kind of was winging it. And then you want to take a brush. This is how you get that gradient effect. You take a brush and you brush that color through from top to bottom. Okay. Look at that. Beautiful. Right, so for the next color, I will be using mocha. And what I did to make sure that it was, again, a gradient effect, I dumped about half of the container out, put more of that somewhat hot water into the container, and then I put in that mocha. So it's going to be even darker than the original color, but it's still going to have some of that extra water left because, you know, we're trying to save some water here. So you just want to make sure you put enough for your style. And I think I got enough right there. And again, I'm not going to go all the way to where I have the original color, but I am going to dip it so it has that gradient effect as well. And you just want to dip it in, brush it out, dip it in, brush it out. So I did this method until I got to the black color, and I'm telling you, this is just so beautiful. I might end up doing this with different colors just because I like how it came out. But one thing I would say to avoid is to not touch the top of the lace, which I ended up doing. And I did have some of the dark color on top, but honestly, I could probably take that out if I just shampoo the wig a couple times. But just make sure, again, you do not touch the top of the wig, especially because it's blonde, because it will show up. Very last color, which is black, and putting that on the very, 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 very ends of the hair. Again, you do not have to do this black color. It kind of didn't show up, but I just wanted to do it just to, you know, get that extra dark color on the ends. And I'm telling you, this looked beautiful when I was done. I really wasn't sure because, you know, when the hair is wet, it looks different than when it's dry. So I wasn't sure if all the colors were showing up or if it was gonna look crazy. But once this dried, guys, I was in shock. Okay, I was in shock. Like, look at how this color, look at this. Beautiful. The hair looks completely blown out. I did not fully flatten iron the hair. This is just blown out. And I gotta say, I'm proud of myself, you know? This is beautiful, gives me foxy vibes, fall vibes, and it's still like unique. I don't know, I just love this look. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna show you how I installed it just because it took me forever, but let's just get into my final thoughts.
Okay, so I have the wig fully installed, guys, fully installed. This is the wig 100%. Like, I actually installed it this time. I did it off camera just because I knew that if I recorded it on camera, I'm gonna mess up. So I just want to show you the color. Do you see how beautiful that is? Like, I don't know if you can even. Arrogant say who? Arrogant say who? Okay, I am loving this hair on me right now. It is so beautiful, and I just wanted to say this real quick. If you're looking for a style that not everyone is doing, this is the look. But you know, once I upload this, you know, everyone's gonna be doing it. But please let me know how you liked this tutorial in the comment section down below. If you want to see me color more wigs and, you know, show my creativity for you guys, I will. I'm actually going to be wearing this hair for my friend's birthday dinner, but this is not an everyday wig for me, okay? Y'all know I do not wear blonde. But I just thought it was kind of funky with the reverse ombre. It's definitely giving me more foxy vibes, and it's achievable. Even I can do it. So if you do want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comment section down below. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.